You're spending the night with me. What do you want from my world? You're a good little girl. Bad little boy, that's what you're acting like. I really don't buy that you're that kind of guy. And if you are, what do you want hanging out with me? Don't you know I'm a villain? Every night I'm out killing, sending everyone running like children. I know why you're mad at me. I've got demon eyes, and they're looking right through your anatomy, into your deepest fears. Baby, I'm not from here, I'm from the nidosphere. To me you're clear, transparent. You've got a thing for me, girl, it's apparent. Oh, I got a hot potato, and I've got 2 hot tomatoes. Well, they'll make a good sauce, maybe, so I'll shake my bottle, baby. I'll shake it and shake it and shake it and shake it and shake it all over the table for as long as I am able. La da 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 da.